Hi, short video to talk to you about this Miele Complete C3 Total Solution PowerLine vacuum cleaner. So it comes in good full working order. I've taken it fully apart and cleaned it. It still has dust in tight places. It does have used scratch marks. I don't know if you can see them on the video. Light used scratch marks. So it comes with 3 handles. The hose, handle, telescopic wand and brush head. Brush head does have marks from being used. It will have a new bag because I haven't put one in it. Comes with a new bag. New filter, new filter. It is cleaned inside but still has dust in very tight places. No bag as such. And being Miele, you know these are powerful. So it's in good working order. It's just light scratches. I do have other Miele's listed. Please take a look, and any questions, please ask. Thank you.